Hey there, so if you're looking for a way how you can reset a TKSTAR GPS tracker, if you forgot your GPS tracker password and want to reset, then follow these steps. So reboot, restart the GPS tracker, send this SMS command to the tracker number RCT. So yeah, that's what you want to do. To reboot, restart the GPS tracker, send this SMS command to the tracker number RST, and the tracker will immediately restart. And send this SMS command to the tracker number format, and then tracker will back to factory default settings. And that's what you want to do. So hope it helped you a little bit. What are the things that you need to do and how you can do it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.